Okay, here's my Acer 17, my Acer Predator 17. Last few days, 4 days, 5 days, it's been making really bad noises. Just gonna move the phone, the microphone near the sides and the back. Okay, now I'm going to set the microphone down on top, like touching the top of the laptop, so maybe the sound will transfer like case to case. Try it again on the back. It's over the back right vent, and this is over the back left vent. It doesn't just sound like there's a fan, something going on. It sounds like a grinding. It's like it's an inconsistent grinding. It's very disconcerting.